Get on with it, woman. Oh, bitch. Hi guys, welcome back to another car video. I'm with this one. She's just looking like a fucking pole. Well, I don't know what you look like. It's very bright. Alright? But no, it's just a classic car show today because, you know, can't afford to go to the actual car meets yet. But no, stay tuned. It's going to be a great day.
Now you're gonna have to go through hell. Worse than any nightmare that you ever dreamed. But in the end, I know you'll be the one standing.
You got the way, bitch.
You're gonna have to go through hell. Worse than any nightmare that you ever dreamed. But in the end, I know you'll be the one standing.
So guys, obviously it's just footage, but like videos, not videos, it's just photos and stuff. But this car show is absolutely amazing. I've never seen like it's so big or anything. It's so big. It's crazy. Because there's so many cars there. It's like tons. I'm just taking like photos though, because I feel like if I just shoot a lot of like footage or whatever, it's just gonna be like me not exactly like, you know, enjoying the cars. I mean, they're like so old fashioned. This like the 30th anniversary as well, and it's mad. And there's loads of people walk past, so I feel awkward. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some food in a minute anyway, because I is fucking hungry. But honestly, it's amazing. But yeah, stay tuned for more of the videos. I might take some more photos, sorry. And then I might take some videos in a bit when I feel a little bit more confident, because literally there are so many people at this like car show. It's crazy. Like, I didn't think it would be so popular or like so packed. But yeah, stay tuned.
Cause the world is ours. Look at my wrist, that's a reward for all these battle scars. Look at my roof, I took that off, I wanna see the stars. V12 engine in the BM, so I'm coming fast. Got my wrist blinging in a German. Got my gold chain swinging in a German. Real G's where I'm bringing in a German. Got some bad beats singing in a German. In a German, in a German. In a German, a whip in a foreign car. In a German, in a German. In a German, a whip in a foreign car. Got my wrist blinging in a German. Got my gold chain.
It's massive.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new.
Oh my god, guys, literally today has been fucking amazing. I took so many pictures, more than anything, which I feel a bit cuntish for, but obviously when you really like cars, sometimes you just don't want to film them. like, you know what I mean? Like, you just want to take it all in and just see all the amazing cars, bikes and things like that. Obviously it is like, you know, all vintage like cars and things like that. There was some like BMWs, as I said, and you know, Fords and Lamborghinis and things, but no, it's mostly old-fashioned cars. It's on for another hour, but oh my god, one of the best experiences I've ever had in such a long time. I'm currently walking home now because obviously the car show is near me this month, well, this year, so yeah, it was really good. Like, really fucking good. So I'm happy I went, and yeah, literally I don't know what more to say. Like, it was absolutely amazing. Like, obviously I was with my friend Sophie, who I did my intro with, and she's absolutely amazing. She's incredible. So yeah, it was amazing. My highlight looks banging, but then my hair's got ice cream in it because I had ice cream. But it was, again, it was fucking amazing. I wouldn't have wanted it to be any other way, like, literally. But no, I'm on my way home now. So again, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, share it to all your friends because they might like it, you never know, and comment down below if you can, if you feel like it, you know. And yeah, I will see you hopefully at the Japanese car meet, probably not this month because I'm going on holiday with my fiance and his family, but I should hopefully, oh god, I'm getting right to everything, but hopefully I should be going to a Japanese car meet very soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye guys.